Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and what you should be doing to your home in June, I've got a list. Let's get started. Number one, it's time to think about outdoor paint and stain. How does the outside of your home look? From the deck stain to the rusty metal, now is a great time to give your home the fresh coat of paint. Things like exposed wood and metal can deteriorate, rust, and grow into a larger issue over time. Rain, in addition to fluctuating temperatures, can cause your worsening paint to become a bigger problem. Watch the weather and schedule this task. Remember, prep is the key to getting professional results. Number two, clean your windows. Those sunny days may show how dirty the windows in your home look. Cleaning the glass, both inside and out, can help improve the look of your home. A window cleaner with a hose attachment makes the job easier and also works on patio furniture and play sets. Number three, check your driveway for wear and tear. Leaving cracks and gaps in your driveway will only lead to further deterioration and expensive repairs. Whether it's applying Quikrete or asphalt filler, it's time to fix it before the issue grows. If you have a blacktop driveway, the summer is a great time to recoat it. Look for several days of dry weather to tackle this project. It's also a good time to repair any gaps and cracks. Number four, clean your garbage and recycling bins. Ever lifted that outdoor trash and had an unpleasant surprise of pests like maggots? Gross. This is time to make sure you don't get that grossed out experience. Flies are attracted to food waste, and your garbage cans are a perfect place to set up shop for their eggs. Use a power washer or hose to loosen the debris and follow up with an outdoor cleaner in your bins and scrub them with a mop to really get the grime out. Finally, let the bins air dry with the lid open. You won't believe the difference when you're done. Number five, check your sump pump is working. If your home has a sump pump, it's a good time to make sure it's operating. Open the basin and remove any debris that's in there with a wet, dry vac. This will help it from getting stuck in the future. Next, fill a 5-gallon bucket with water and make sure the sump pump turns on to do its job. If it doesn't turn on, make sure the device has power before you consider replacing it. Now, if you're worried you won't know if your sump pump is leaking, then I have a solution for you, and it's coming up in our next video.